Want to create a new theme in Blender? I'm Wendy. Let's get started. Come up to the Edit menu, go down to Preferences, and select Themes. At the top, Blender gives you two built-in options, including a dark and a light theme. I'll switch back to Blender's dark theme and make a few adjustments. Next, go to Interface, and we'll start with Menus. I'll change the inner color by copying and pasting the color values I've chosen. This will change a lot of the main buttons on the screen. Before you move on, go to Selected and paste the same color values. Then change the alpha value to 0.7. Don't worry about changing the roundness values here. They'll reset automatically when we adjust the value slider a bit later on. And now all you have to do is go through the rest of the collapsible menus and change Blender's default blue to the color of your choice. We can pause the video here so you can finish changing the remaining values. And when you're finished, if you want to save this as a template, click the plus icon and enter a new name. To delete it, select the name and click the minus icon. And if you've messed things up, just press Reset to restore Blender's original theme. I'll go back to orange. Follow for more Blender tips.